Okay, again, good morning to everyone. We'll study our chapter that is Introduction to Algebraic Expression. Again, I'm checking once again, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. The name of
Yes, sir.
our chapter is Introduction to Algebraic Expression. Introduction to Algebraic Expression. Introduction to Algebraic Expression. Okay. सो नो नीड टू राइट राइट नाउ. ठीक है, अभी आप लोग को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी चीजें पढ़ाया जाएगा दैट आई विल टीच टुडे, आई विल सेंड द पीडीएफ टू योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ठीक है, जो भी आज पढ़ाया जाएगा ये सारा का सारा चीजें पीडीएफ बना के आई विल सेंड इट टू योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. यू कैन डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. ठीक है, आप लोग वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं और उसके बाद एज एन असाइनमेंट उसको आपको सेंड करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good then. Okay, we'll start our topic. Before knowing what is algebraic expression, first of all, we will try to understand some terms related to that algebraic expression. Okay? The first term we need to understand is constant. The very important point is constant. Constant. Okay. So first thing we need to know is constant. So first of all, we'll write the definition. Constant is a quantity. Constant is a quantity. Constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. Which has a fixed value. ठीक है, which has a fixed value. Okay, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the meaning of value here? I'm talking that fixed value. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of fixed value? नमन, आप अपना माइक ऑफ रखिए. Okay, so what is the meaning of value actually here? Can anyone tell me what is value? The simple meaning of value. Anyone? Nobody? Harshit, Arnav, Kishore, Naman, Priyanshu. किसी को नहीं
For
पता?
the amount of for the amount of anything is called value.
I'm asking in mathematics, in this sentence, what is the meaning of value? It is saying that constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. First of all, you have to understand what is value in mathematics. Okay, value means nothing but a number. It is what? Number. You people know what number is? You have seen numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here value means actually what? Number. Constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. That means a quantity which has a fixed number, and we represent constant in as a numeric symbol, in the form of numeric symbol. So what is numeric symbol? Actually we used for the symbol that we used for the numbers is known as numeric symbol. So example of constant is like 2, this is a number. 1 by 3, this is also a number. -5, this is also a number. 0.12, this is also a number. 70 minus 77 by 6, this is also a number. So what constant actually is? So आप लोग को क्या समझ में आया? Constant मतलब क्या होना चाहिए? Constant means nothing but a number. ठीक है, इतना जो सारा का सारा सेंटेंस हमने लिखा है कि constant is a quantity which has a fixed value. That means what? Number. In simple language, this is what? Number. In simple language, this is what? Number. आया समझ में? So constant is what? It is a number. Constant is what? What is constant? Number. Very good. Can anyone tell?
Number.
Yes. Can anyone tell me an example of a constant? One
What, sir?
one example of a constant. One by one. I will ask everyone. Okay. First of all, Sakshi, can you tell me an example of a constant? No need to turn out the pages. Just tell me an example of constant. Constant means what? Number. I am asking anyone of a number. Can you tell me one number?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Sir, 9.
9. Yes, very good. That's it. 9 is a constant. That means any number we see in mathematics, that is in mathematics terms, it is known as constant. In algebraic term, actually, it is known as constant. Next, anyone else can tell me a constant? Kishore, Harshit, Arnav.
Sir, 7.
7. Yes, very good. 7 is also a constant. Anyone else? Some very interesting kind of number.
81.
Very, yes, minus 81, 11. These are all what? Constant. So constant is what? We have studied that constant is a number. Understood? What is constant?
Constant is a number.
Constant is a number. Very good.
Number.
Constant is nothing but it is a number. So far we have studied that constant is a number. Constant is what? It is a number. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So
Sir.
what is constant? Constant is a number. The next thing we have to study is the next point is a variable. Okay. So variable is what? It is also a number. Okay. Try to listen it carefully. Variable, it is a number. It is a number represented in the form of represented in the form of letters of English alphabet. ठीक है. So variable is what? It is also a number. Okay. Constant is what? Constant क्या चीज है?
Constant is also number.
Constant is number. Variable क्या चीज है? It is also a number.
English alphabet.
No, it is not English alphabet. It is a number. ठीक है. सबसे पहले चीजों को समझिएगा. Try to listen the basic thing carefully. पहले basic चीजों को समझिएगा. What is constant? Constant is a number. Okay, try to listen it very carefully. What is constant? Constant is number. What is variable? Variable is also number. Then what is the difference between constant and variable? We have to understand that. Okay. So what is constant? Constant is number. What is variable? Variable is also a number. Understood? Constant क्या चीज है? What is constant? Number. Very good. What is variable?
Sir, it is also a number.
It is also a number. Very great, great, very good. So what is constant?
A number.
A number. Constant is a number and variable is also a number. Okay. So what is the difference between constant and number? The difference between constant and number is, listen it carefully, it is very important actually. So in constant, we write the number in a numeric symbol, that is 2, 5, 6, minus 9, 1 by 2, 4. So we write constant in the form of a numeric symbol. Okay. So constant is what? Constant is a number. Okay. So variable is what? It is also a number, but it is written in the form of English alphabet. That is X, Y, Z, P, Q, A, B, C. These are what? If I say to you like 2 is a number. 2 is a number. Okay. And if I also say to you like X is a number. Okay. मैंने आपको बोला कि 2 भी हमारा एक नंबर है, X भी हमारा एक नंबर है. तो 2 जो नंबर है ये न्यूमेरिक सिंबल पे लिखा गया है, तो इस नंबर का नाम पड़ जाएगा क्या? कांस्टेंट. ठीक है. अगर मैं आप बोलूं कि मेरे पास एक नंबर है, उस नंबर को मैंने x के फॉर्म में लिखा है, तो ये x भी नंबर है, लेकिन इसका क्या नाम पड़ जाएगा? वेरिएबल.
Variable.
Understood? So what is variable? Variable is a number. What is constant? Constant is also a number. Then what is the difference between constant and variable? Constant is written in the form of a numeric symbol, but variable is written in the form of a English alphabet. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Very
sir.
good. So what is constant? Constant is also a number. What is variable? Variable is also a number. Okay. So
Numbers.
constant is written in
Yes,
the form of a English alphabet, but variable is written in the form of letters of English alphabet. You guys know the letters of English alphabet, that is ABCD.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what is constant? Constant is a number, and what is variable? Variable is also a number. Then what is the difference between constant and variable? Anyone? Who? Harshit, what is the difference
Yes,
between
sir.
constant?
May I?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, one by one.
Sir, the difference between constant and variable. Constant is written in the numeric form, whereas variable is written in the English alphabet.
Very good. Where variable is written in the form of a English alphabet and constant is written in the form of a numeric symbol. Okay, but both are same thing. Both are what? Both are numbers. Basically both are what? Both are numbers. Understood? Everybody? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
very good.
Sir,
Very good. Very good. That's great. Very good. That's great. Okay, so far we have studied about two things, two terms, that is constant and variable. What is constant?
constant is a number which is written in the form of numerical value.
Very good. And what is variable?
Variable is a number which is written in the form of English alphabet.
Very good. Variable is also a number. This is constant is also a number. Variable is also a number. Constant is number that is written in the form of numeric symbol. These things are known as numeric symbol. And variable is also a number written in the form of letters of English alphabet. Okay. We'll go to the next point. We'll go to the next point. Uh, uh, I want to ask you some questions. Okay. Just okay. I want to ask you some questions. It will you will not going to find these things in the books actually. So no need to sorry. There is no like कोई जरूरत नहीं है पेज पलटने का. ठीक है. So try to listen it carefully. Like if I add two numbers, what will be the result? If I add two numbers, what will be the result? Like 2 plus 3, what will be the
Sir,
result?
a number.
Yeah, very good. 2
Five.
plus 2 plus 3 will be 5. I am adding two numbers, right? This one is one number and 3 is also one number. Okay. So if I add two numbers, then the result will be always a number, right? So दो number को add करने से हमेशा result क्या मिलता है? Number. If I add two variable, that is x plus y, what will be the result?
Sir, x plus y.
Okay, that is correct.
Sir,
X
a
plus.
variable.
No, it is variable means what?
A number.
Number. So this result will also be a number. ठीक है. So try to listen it carefully and understand it. Very important. Variable is what? It is also a number. Variable is what? It is also a number. So if I add to number, the final result will be number. Here by watching, by directly we can say that which number it is. It is 2 and it is 3. But in the case of variable, we know that x and y are numbers. But which number we cannot know that. Understood? So if I ask you x is a variable, if I ask you that x is a variable, variable means what? Number. Variable means what? Number. Can anyone tell me which number it is? 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number x is? Anyone?
Sir, 4.
How you can say that for? You know the value of x?
No, sir.
No. So try to understand it. It is very important that variable is a number whose value is not known. Understood? Whose value is not known, but constant is a number whose value is known. So these two are the very major difference between constant and variable. That in constant, by simply watching, we can say that what its value is, either 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, anything. But in the case of variable, by simply watching, we cannot say the value of that number. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So we'll go to the next point. Our next point is term of an expression. So before going to terms, we have to understand what is algebraic expression. ठीक है, व्हाट इज algebraic expression? हाँ? पढ़ा बात. Okay. So the next point is we have to understand what is algebraic expression. Okay, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. ठीक है. So what is algebraic expression? In algebraic expression, we will find constant. So okay, try to listen it carefully. In algebraic expression, we will find constant. We will find variable. ठीक है. In constant, we will see. In algebraic expression, we will see constant. We will see variables, and we will also see fundamental operations. Fundamental operations. So what is fundamental operations? Can anybody tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Very good. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of fundamental?
Yes.
Anyone? Can anyone tell me fundamental? Fundamental. No one. Okay. Try to listen it. Try to listen it. So fundamental means nothing but it is basic. Means initial चीज. ठीक है. Operation. Operation means what? What is operation?
Oh,
What is operation?
to solve the question and get the
No,
answer.
no. I'm just simply asking. Operation is the English word, right? So I'm simply asking what is the meaning of operation. So in English, operation means simply we can say that work. ठीक है. Operation means what? Work. ठीक है. Operation work का मतलब क्या होता है? काम. अब दो नंबर, कांस्टेंट इज आल्सो ए नंबर एंड वेरिएबल इज आल्सो ए नंबर. सो दो नंबर के बीच में मैं क्या क्या काम करा सकता हूं, क्या क्या काम हम लोग कर सकते हैं दो नंबर के बीच में? एनीवन? दो नंबर के बीच में हम लोग प्लस कर सकते हैं, दो नंबर के बीच में हम लोग माइनस कर सकते हैं, दो नंबर के बीच में हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं, दो नंबर के बीच में हम लोग डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है.
डिवीजन कर सकते हैं.
सो दो नंबर के बीच में इतने सारे काम हम लोग कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज ऑपरेशन. ठीक है. तो नंबर के बीच में जो काम करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सॉरी, जो भी काम होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ऑपरेशन. और जो नंबर के बीच में काम होता है वो क्या क्या चीज है? प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवीजन. सो दीज आर नोन एज फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस. मींस ये सबसे बेसिक है, हम लोग बचपन से सीखते हैं. क्लास 1-2 से आप लोगों ने सीखा होगा. 2 + 3, 2 - 3, 2 × 3, 2 / 3. ओके. सो दीज आर व्हाट? ऑपरेशंस. These are what? Operation between two numbers. Operation between two numbers, and this operation are very basic operation. So these are known as fundamental operation. ठीक है. Fundamental मतलब एकदम initial, एकदम basic. Basic things are known as what? Fundamental. So in algebraic expression, we will see constant, we will see variable, and we will see fundamental operation. What are fundamental operations? These are plus, minus, multiplication, divide. These things are known as what? Fundamental operation of mathematics. Okay. These are known as, remember it. Okay. It is very important. These are known as fundamental operations of mathematics. Fundamental operations of mathematics. So these are fundamental operations of mathematics. इसमें 7 no 6 एक में ही हूँ. Okay. So these are fundamental operations. Okay. Now we will try to understand what is algebraic expression. So we'll write the definition of algebraic expression. Okay. So algebraic expression, we'll write the definition. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? Uh, 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 it is an expression which is it is made up of algebraic expression. We can say it in simply. Algebraic expression is made up of constant variables along with constant and variables along with fundamental operations. Fundamental operations, or we can also say it as algebraic operation. Algebraic operations. So what are fundamental operations? Plus, minus, multiplication, divide. Okay. So in algebraic expression is made up of three things, that is constant, variables along with fundamental operations. Okay. Let's see some example of algebraic expression. 2x plus 3y minus 5. This is what algebraic expression. Here we can see that 2 is what? Constant or variable?
Variable.
Huh?
Constant.
Constant. X is what? Constant or variable?
Variable. Variable.
3 is what? Constant or variable?
Constant.
Y is what? Constant or variable?
Variable.
Minus 5 is what? Constant or variable?
Constant.
Constant. And in between that constant and variable, we can see that here plus and minus sign. So this type of expression, या फिर this type of things is known as algebraic expression, where we can see constant, variables and fundamental operations. Here we can see that constant and variable, here we can see that constant and variable, here we can see constant, and in between that constant and variable we can see that there is fundamental operation. So this thing is known as what? Algebraic expression. Okay, so let me take one more example of algebraic expression, that is 4x minus 2yx plus 5z plus 3q plus 9m and p. This is also what? Plus 7. This is also an algebraic expression. Okay, so now it is your turn. Can anyone tell me, or can anyone give me an example of algebraic expression? Harshit?
Yes, may I?
Yeah, one. First. Okay, let me ask one by one. Arnav, okay, give me one example
Yes, sir.
give me one example of algebraic expression.
6a
6a, very good.
minus
Minus
2b
2b, very good.
plus
Plus
9c
9c, very good. Okay,
minus 4.
minus 4. Okay, this much is enough. This is what? An example of a, here we can see that constant and variable, here we can see constant and variable, here we can see constant and variable, and in between there we can see that fundamental operations. Okay, so another one, Harshit, yes, one example of algebraic expression.
5x
5x, very good.
plus
Plus try
3y
3y. Try to create it by yourself. Try to give the example by yourself. Don't give it by looking in book or something. Just try to give it by yourself.
yes, sir.
Okay, 5x is 3.
Minus 6
Minus 6. Okay, that's enough.
minus 3
Minus 6. Okay, that's enough. That's correct. This much is enough for an algebraic expression. Okay, the next one, Naman. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, give me one example of algebraic expression.
4z
4z. Very good. 4z
plus
plus
5a
5a. Very good.
plus
Plus
8b
8b. Very good. That's enough. That is an example of algebraic expression. Okay, next one, Shakshi.
10x
Okay, 8x
minus
minus
5y
5y
plus 6.
plus 6. Okay, that's enough. Priyanshu, one example of algebraic
Yes,
expression. Okay, yes.
5x square minus
5x square minus
3y cube
3y cube
plus z.
plus z. Yes, that's enough. So these are example of what? Algebraic expression. So you peoples have understood what is algebraic expression is, what is constant and what is variable.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood what is constant, what is variable, what is algebraic expression? One more. Let's do it one more time. So what is constant?
Sir, constant is a number.
Constant is a number. What is variable?
Sir, number.
Variable is also a
It is
number.
also a number. Very good. Then what is the difference between constant and variable? How we can differentiate that this thing is constant and that thing is
Constant.
variable?
We write constant in from in variable
Is written in English alphabet.
Very good. Constant is represented in the form of a numeric symbol and variable is represented in the form of a letters of English alphabet. Okay, very good. Then what is the last point is what is algebraic expression?
A group of constant, variable, and fundamental terms.
Very good. Algebraic expression is made up of constant and variables along with fundamental operations. What are fundamental operations?
Multiplication,
minus multiplication, division.
Very good, very good, very smart, very good. Okay, so I think this much will be enough for today. I will send you the PDF. You can download it from your WhatsApp group and you can write it down and you can send it to me, or you can send it to the group, or you can send it to the app. Okay. So I think this much will be enough for today. We will meet in the next class. Very nice to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.